The dentures, commonly referred to in the field of fake teeth, are a part of a long and intriguing history which goes from the beginning of time. The prosthetics are crucial in helping restore smiles as well as improving the life quality of those who are missing their teeth. In this short video, we'll look at the evolution and development of dentures, starting from their earliest days to recent advancements in dental technology. Ancient times, the origins of dentures. Dentures' use is traced to prehistoric times when diverse materials, such as tooth bones, shells, as well as human teeth, were utilized for replacing missing teeth. As an example, in the early days of Egypt, the rich could utilize bone and ivory for dentures, while the less wealthy would use more affordable materials, such as wood. The Etruscans are an ancient civilization from Italy who was also well known for creating dentures with human and animal teeth. The Middle Ages, the rise of false teeth. In the Middle Ages, dentures became increasingly popular throughout Europe since dental hygiene became better, along with the value of good oral hygiene gained more recognition. Dentures are typically constructed from material like gold, silver as well as ivory. They were made by skilled craftsmen. The early dental dentures were uncomfortable or durable and usually resulted in pain and discomfort on the person wearing them. The 18th century, the of porcelain dentures. One of the biggest advances in the field of dentures occurred in the late 18th century thanks to the advent of porcelain dentures. Dentures made of porcelain were stronger and natural-looking than previous models. They quickly gained acclaim with the wealthy. The manufacturing process for porcelain dental implants is labor-intensive and costly and therefore unattainable for the average person. The 19th century, the Industrial Revolution and mass production. The Industrial Revolution brought about significant shifts in the manufacture of dentures. They were made easier to afford and available to a greater number of individuals. Dentures were manufactured made of materials like vulcanite, an example of hardened rubber, making the dentures more comfortable as well as durable. In this time, there was also the invention of denture adhesives that improved the stability and fit of dentures. The 20th century, technological advancements in dentistry. The 20th century was the time of a major change in dentistry due to the introduction of innovative techniques and materials that drastically increased the effectiveness of dentures. Acrylic resin quickly became the most popular material used to make dentures since it was extremely light and durable and able to be easily formed into the form of the patient's mouth. The advent of digital technology has also enabled greater precision and precise measurements. This resulted in better fitting dentures and appear more natural. Modern dentistry, the future of dentures. The last few years have seen developments in technology and materials have seen the world transform in the dentures industry. Implant-supported dental dentures, connected to dental implants that are surgically inserted into the jawbone, have emerged as the preferred choice of patients who want a long-lasting and secure option for missing teeth. 3D printing technology has created custom dentures that feel more comfy and visually pleasing. In the end, the story and growth of dentures are an example of the nimbleness and inventiveness of mankind. From the first use of primitive material in the past to the modern methods and materials employed in contemporary dentistry, dentures have gone far in helping restore smiles and enhancing the quality of life of numerous people. As the technology advances in the coming years, we could discover more breakthroughs within the world of dentures. They will be more comfortable, natural-looking, and durable than ever before. The next time you are putting on your dentures, you should take an instant to take in the extensive history and progress of this crucial prosthetic tooth that has borne against the tests of time. Also, remember that a beautiful smile can last forever regardless of what time period you're living in.